guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Anastasia, and today's video is going to be about what I use on my face and what I use on my body. I've been getting a lot of questions recently. What do you use on your face? What do you use on your body? And that is what this video is going to be about today. I have here with me 2 bags of skincare products that I use on my face and on my body. And yeah, if you want to know what are in these bags, please keep on watching. So guys, I have here with me 2 bags of skincare products that I use on my face and I use on my body also. Okay, in this bag I have here with me the solids, like the body cream, the face creams, and here with me I have the liquids. Okay, we're going to start out with the solids. Okay, but before we start with the solids, I want to show you guys what I use to exfoliate my body. Okay, this is what I use to exfoliate my body. I use the Kerabil Spa Lightening Salt. This is what I use to exfoliate my body, and this is the one in orange. Okay, I also have another one. They are of the same, they are made in the same company, but this one is the carrot. So this is the one I'm currently using now. So this is the carrot and this is the orange. So I like buying my things in twos. So yeah, this is what I use to exfoliate my body. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. I made a video about this body scrub, so if you have not watched it, I'm going to put a link in my description so y'all can go and check it out. Okay, right now I'm going to show you what I use on my face. So this is what I use on my face. I use sugar scrub to exfoliate my face. Okay, this sugar scrub contains palm kernel oil, tea tree oil, camwood, and yeah, a lot of great stuffs. I'm going to put the ingredients on the screen so y'all can, you know, make this scrub if you're interested. But this is what I use on my face. This is what I use on my face, and it is perfect. I make this by myself, so y'all can make yours too. And yeah guys, this is the body sponge I use. This is body sponge I use. Yeah, so I decided to just show you guys every single thing I use on my body. Okay, so now let us start out with the ones in this bag. So I'm going to start out by opening the bag. Okay, I have here with me my face cream. If you've not watched the video I made titled the best face cream that you should try out in 2021, you guys should definitely go and watch that video, because I talked about this face cream. This is the Bismuth face cream, and guess what guys, I have 2 of these creams. Like I said earlier, I like buying my things in twos. So this is the Bismuth face cream, and this is what I use on my face. And yeah, this is what I use on my face, and this is how it looks like on the inside. So this face cream is the bomb. So now you all know what I use on my face. I use the Bismuth face cream. Okay, another thing I have here in my bag is the La 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 face cream. Okay, every girl needs to have the La 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 face cream. The La 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 face cream is the bomb. Like guys, this cream is the bomb, and I've started using this one. I marked this one because this is the one I'm currently using now, and this is the one I have not started using. Okay, this is La 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 face cream, and I mostly use it at night. Like, I don't use it every day. Like, I use it once in a while. I don't use it every day, but every girl should have the La 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 face cream because it is a very, very wonderful cream. Okay, last thing I have here in my bag is my body cream. This is what I use. I have here with me the warm vanilla body butter. This is what I use on my body. Most times I use it on my body, most times I use my body oil. So this cream is very, very mild, and it smells really great. It is almost finished, but this is what I use on my body. I have the Blue Seal Vaseline. Okay, this Blue Seal Vaseline, I use this Vaseline on my private parts when I finish shaving. So this is what I use to like keep that area moisturized. And yeah, so this is what I use. I have in my bag, yes, these are also Bismuth products. This is the Bismuth 7 days whitening cream. If you suffer from dark spots on your face, this is going to really help to like remove your dark spots. So yeah, this is what I have in my bag. I also have baby wipes. So these baby wipes, I use it to clean my face, especially when my face is dirty. I use it to clean my face. So this is another thing I have in my bag. And another thing I have in my bag is my sun screen or sunblock. This is the Desa sunblock SPF 90. this is what I use when I'm going out in the sun. So you all should definitely have a sunblock because it's going to protect you from the harmful rays of the sun. I have cotton wool in my bag. So this cotton wool, this is what I use to clean my face with my rose water. I'm going to show you guys my rose water very soon, but this is what I use to clean my face. This is the cotton wool. This is very strange, but I have aboniki in my bag. If you are a Nigerian, you will know what aboniki is. I am really sensitive to cold, so when I finish bathing, I always use aboniki on my body to like, because this is Harmattan period, you know, I use the aboniki balm to like, you know, make myself feel warm. So I normally rub this on my back, so it makes me feel really warm. So guys, I have here with me the Veet hair removal cream. So this is what I use to shave my armpits. You know, I have this small blue seal Vaseline, and this is what I use to moisturize my lips. Okay, I just put this on my lips to keep my lips moisturized. So this is the small blue seal Vaseline I have in my bag. I'm going to show you what is in my other bag. Like I said earlier, this bag contains everything that is in liquid form, and the other bag that I just finished showing you guys contains everything that is in solid form. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to show you guys is my leave-in conditioner. This is what I use on my hair. A lot of people have been asking me, what do you use on your body? What do you use on your body? This is the body oil I use. I made a video about this body oil. I'm going to try to put the link in my description box so you all can go and watch that video. I rarely use creams on my body, and even if I want to use cream on my body, I use something really mild. Another thing that is in my bag is my powder. This is the powder I use on my face. My perfume, I have lots of perfumes that I use on my body. So these are all my perfumes that I use. I'm a huge serum fan, so I have lots of serums in my bag. Okay, I have here with me the Palme Vitamin C serum. This is what I use on my face. I use this on my face in the morning, and guys, this serum really helps with pimples. Like, I've noticed something about this serum. It is rich in vitamin C. Let me read it for you guys. It is rich in vitamin C, whitening and brightening, moisturizing and anti-acne. This serum is like, it really helps with pimples. Like, since I started using this serum, I rarely have pimple on my face. That is just the truth. And I have here with me 3 bottles of this serum. I'm going to make a video on the best facial serums you all should try out this 2021, so you all should watch out for that video. But here with me, I have the Palme Vitamin C serum, and this is what I use on my face in the mornings. Okay, I also have here with me, I have the Goji Berry serum. So this is the Goji Berry serum. Mine says Gokui or whatever. I think that's like an error, but this is the Goji Berry serum, and this is what I use on my face. Okay, so I use it on my face most times in the evenings before I go to bed. I don't use it every day, but I use it like once in a while, and it is really good. Like, whenever I exfoliate my face and my face is like a little bit reddish, I apply the Goji Berry serum, you know, to bring down the redness on my face. This serum is really good in bringing down redness of your face, so you all should definitely try out this serum. This is the Goji Berry serum. Okay, in my bag I also have the Pure Carrot Flawless serum. This serum, guys, like, if you are looking for a very nice serum, just try and get this Pure Carrot Flawless serum. I also use this on my face too. Like, most times I use on my face. Like, all this product, I know my skin type, so like most times today I use the Pure Carrots Flawless serum. Another day I use the Palme Vitamin C serum. I just like anyone I feel like using any day I use, and they are really mild on the skin, so they're not going to cause any irritation whatsoever. So you all should definitely try out the Pure Carrot Flawless serum, because it is also another good serum. Okay, another thing I have in my bag is my rose water. My rose water is almost finished, but this is the rose water I use. I use the Boots rose water, traditional skincare, glycerin and rose water. So this is what I use. I use this to clean my face before applying my serums and applying my moisturizer. So how I do it is that when I get out of the bedroom, I use rose water and my cotton wool to clean my face, and after doing that I go in with my serum. I go in with my Pime vitamin C serum, and after applying the Pime vitamin C serum I now go in with my Bismuth face cream. So that is usually my morning routine. Okay, another product I'm going to show you guys is the baby oil. Like, this is the baby oil. This is Pears baby oil. I had to put this in the container because this thing always leaks. Okay, so this is what I use on my body. I use this on my body in the nights because most nights I just feel like smelling like a baby. So this is what I use on my body in the nights. It's just something that is really mild on the skin, and it has like a really good and nice smell. I have just this roll-on, Nivea roll-on, and I have this bath gel, and I also have tea tree oil. Like, tea tree oil, like, this oil is the bomb. Like, this oil is like, it has so many uses. And I also added tea tree oil to my face scrub. So another thing I have in my bag is the tea tree oil. So guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And now, so y'all know what I use on my body, so if y'all want to try out any of these products, you are free to try them out because it works for me, and I'm most definitely sure that it's going to work for you too. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye guys.